Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best paintbrushes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any DIYer's arsenal, transforming a simple painting job into a professional-looking finish with the right selection. Whether you're tackling a small touch-up or a large-scale renovation, the quality and type of brush you choose can dramatically impact the smoothness, coverage, and overall aesthetic of your walls, furniture, or craft projects, making it a critical component for achieving satisfying results that last. Number 5. Tiptopcarbon Wallpaper Smoothing Toolkit. Introducing the Tiptopcarbon Wallpaper Smoothing Toolkit, your essential companion for a flawless finish. This versatile kit simplifies wallpaper application, trimming, and various DIY projects. The large red squeegee is designed to smooth out creases and bubbles with ease. It's incredibly helpful when working on large, flat surfaces, ensuring a seamless look. Our medium hard blue felt squeegee offers a comfortable grip and effective application. The felt edge prevents scratches, protecting your surfaces during use. Achieve exact cuts with the lightweight aluminum handle knife. It provides a comfortable grip for precision work, and includes extra blades for long-lasting use. This kit is perfect for applying wallpaper, contact paper, and peel and stick materials. It's also ideal for vinyl wraps, window tints, and glass films. From wallpaper to vinyl, this comprehensive tool kit has you covered. Experience professional results with simple, effective tools designed for your convenience. What we like? If you're tackling wallpaper, contact paper, or vinyl wrap projects, this kit is your go-to. Its squeegee excels at smoothing out large flat surfaces, making bubble removal a breeze. For those who prioritize a scratch-free finish and need a comfortable grip for precise cuts, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The paint roller has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold for extended periods. The paint tray is designed with a deep well, allowing for less frequent dipping and a more consistent paint application. The set includes a variety of brush sizes, which are perfect for cutting in edges and detailed work. Number 4. LEMATEC Air Pressure Regulator with Gauge. Achieve consistent results with this inline air flow control valve. It features an integrated pressure gauge to accurately monitor and fine-tune the air volume from your compressor. Minimize overspray and material waste by fine-tuning the air flow at your tool. This helps you achieve a smoother, more even application for your projects. Easily connect to any air compressor, hose, or spray gun with its standard 1/4 NPT threads. It's a versatile addition to your air tool attachments. Built with a durable brass body and a robust adjustment knob, this tool is designed for reliable operation. Its compact design ensures easy handling. Make quick, on-the-fly changes to your airflow with the easy-to-read gauge and responsive knob. Get the perfect setting for every task. What we like? For automotive spray painting or any fine finish projects requiring consistent results, this regulator is essential. It allows for precise airflow adjustment, minimizing overspray and material waste for a smoother, more even application. If you value enhanced control and a professional finish across various pneumatic tool applications, this is the one to get. What people say. The paint roller has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold for extended periods. This paintbrush set includes a variety of sizes, allowing for different painting tasks. The paint tray is deep enough to hold a good amount of paint, reducing the need for frequent refills. Number 3. Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen. Introducing the Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen. This innovative tool allows you to easily load your own paint for perfect color matching. Its reusable and easy-to-fill design means no more brushes or rollers needed for quick touch-ups. This easy-to-clean paint pen is your go-to for quick fixes around the house. It's ideal for apartments, dorms, or rentals. Effortlessly repair scuffs, dings, and scratches, even in tight spots, or add a professional touch to your art projects. Our patented vacuum-sealed system keeps your paint fresh for up to 7 years. Say goodbye to dried-out paint cans and messy brushes. This refillable pen eliminates waste and offers a cleaner, simpler alternative. Achieve a smooth, mess-free finish with its precision twist control tip. The fine-tip brush applicator ensures clean, even coverage without drips or splatters. Get the perfect amount of paint exactly where you need it. This DIY paint pen comes with a reusable syringe for long-term use. It's trusted by homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. Use it on any surface, including walls, floors, trim, doors, and furniture. Designed for convenience, it offers easy storage and reduces paint waste. Refill it again and again for countless projects. Replacement tips are also available to keep it working like new. What we like. If you're a homeowner or DIYer who frequently needs to touch up paint for scuffs, dings, or scratches, this pen is a game changer. Its refillable design and patented vacuum-sealed system keep paint fresh for years, eliminating waste. For those who appreciate mess-free, precise application in hard-to-reach areas or for detailed craft projects, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The paint roller has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold for extended periods. This paintbrush set includes a variety of sizes, allowing for different painting tasks. The paint tray is deep enough to hold a good amount of paint, reducing the need for frequent refills. Number 2. Pro Grade 5-Piece Paintbrush Set. This comprehensive 5-piece set includes all the essential sizes that professional painters use daily. You get all 5 brushes for less than the cost of a single brush from other brands, offering professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Say goodbye to stray bristles in your paint job. Our precision adhesive bonding locks every bristle in place, ensuring a clean finish on every stroke. The premium synthetic filaments load and release paint evenly for a smooth, streak-free result. We've included the 2-inch angle stubby brush, a favorite among professionals for tackling tight spaces like cabinet interiors and detailed trim. Combined with our other angle brushes, you'll have precision cutting in covered for any scale of project. Our 1 and 2-inch flat brushes are perfect for achieving even coverage on a variety of surfaces, from walls to furniture. The comfortable solid wood handles provide excellent control for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. These brushes are trusted by professional painters and contractors nationwide for their reliable performance and value. They deliver professional results at a price that makes sense for frequent use, and they are washable and reusable for multiple projects. What we like. If you're a professional painter or a dedicated DIYer looking for reliable tools for any painting task, this set is for you. It offers a comprehensive range of sizes for cutting in, broad coverage, and detailed work, all guaranteed to have zero bristle loss. For those who demand professional-grade performance and a streak-free finish on interior or exterior projects, this set delivers. What people say. The paint roller is designed with a comfortable grip, making it easy to hold for extended periods. This paintbrush set includes various sizes, allowing for detailed work and larger coverage. The paint tray has a built-in brush holder, which keeps your tools organized and prevents them from rolling away. Number 1. Bates 19-Piece Paint Roller Kit. Introducing Bates 19-Piece Paint Roller Kit, your all-in-one solution for home painting projects. It includes everything you need for painting, prep, and cleanup. This durable set comes with a paint tray, roller frames, and covers in 2 sizes, and a protective drop cloth. You'll also find a sanding block and paint mixer. Achieve a perfect finish with included painter's tape, foam and bristle brushes in various sizes, and 3 paint scrapers for thorough surface preparation. Easily paint walls, corners, trim, and detailed areas with the different roller sizes and brush styles provided. It makes tackling any surface a breeze. Ideal for interior and DIY projects, this set keeps all your essential wall painting supplies organized in one convenient package. Get ready to transform your home with ease. What we like. For homeowners and DIY enthusiasts embarking on interior or exterior painting projects, this comprehensive kit is incredibly convenient. It bundles all the essentials for prep, painting, and cleanup, including various roller sizes and brush styles for walls, corners, and trim. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to keep your painting supplies organized and ready for action, this kit is ideal. What people say. The paint roller has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold for extended periods. The paint tray is deep enough to hold a good amount of paint, reducing the need for frequent refills. The brushes included in the set are made with high-quality bristles that provide a smooth and even paint application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.